In this short video, I'm going to show how you can utilize links to cloud-based drives to store your documents in Renew Alert reminders. This will allow you to remotely access those files through your Renew Alert reminders, through the emails that come in, and you can actually update your documents just with a smartphone pretty easily. And the cost is relatively small. So this would work if you're a commercial account or a personal user. As a personal user, what I did here as an example was I have an account here through Gmail, and Gmail, for every email that you have through Gmail, allows you 15 gigabytes. This is currently, at this time, I'm not sure what'll change, but they'll allow you 15 gigabytes of storage per account. Now that includes data that's used with your emails as well as in their Google Drives, which you can set up. Advantageous way to do this would be to set up a brand new email with Gmail. Don't use it for emails and dedicate your Google Drive strictly to that email. So what I did was I created a folder in my Google Drive and I matched the way they're all written. So these are only ones where the files are needed. So I matched them up to different reminders. So if I go to the Renew Alert dashboard, you see like we have got Louie's reminder. So if I click Louie's reminders, I can see here I've got his records. I inserted this in here. One trick that's important with it is whenever you copy and paste in the drive, I'll show you how you can do that. So I go to Louie's reminders right here. You just click the little three dots. You can click share, and then you can select your permissions. So I have this one just as anyone with a link right now. There's not a lot of HIPAA requirements with Louie. And you can change it to just restricted, and that could be, you can grant people in your household to it or within your company, whichever. If you do restricted, I'm just doing with the link, and then I just do copy link and done. And then what I'm doing is just going into here, I'll hit that, and now we just copy and paste. When you go to paste it, I recommend using paste as plain text. Proceed to email, then this is the email that gets sent out. I did include this link in here as well. So if I go back to the Louie file, this is just one of the views. We can go over here to active reminders. If I wanted to look up Louie, just type that. There's Louie's reminders, his vet records. I'm going to go, and this can be done on your mobile device as well as on the dashboard. And this is going to be in your email. So if you get this email come through, you can actually click it right there on your phone. It'll open up the drive. And if I click it, here we go. And there's his adoption files and his vaccine records that I've got. So I could actually click those, open up, and see what vaccine records Louie has. So I've got this on my drive and in Renew Alert. In this next part, we'll show how it works with a mobile device with the Google Drive installed on the phone. So if you're over there at the vet, you get the vaccines done, you can actually pull up the files, and we open up the Louie folder. And if we have new paperwork from the vet with the new vaccine, in this case, we'll do Louie medical records, snap a shot through the application. It's going to take a moment or two to load, and then you can rename the file however you'd like to. And this one we'll put down Louie's vaccines. Hit done. And now it's going to upload and store into that drive that's available and showing on the phone. If you see, we open it up and it shows Louie's vaccine. So now it's uploaded there and stored and will show up on the link in your Renew Alert reminder. Okay, and then we come back here and we'll click on the Google Drive, and there it is. So now this is a record in the Google Drive for Louie reminders, and this is when we click a reminder in Renew Alert. It's in their email reminder too that would come to you. So this is the actual text of the email that comes. Click on it again, there it is. So this is a nice way for you to have an effective way to scan documents as they come in. Maybe it's a proof of insurance, an insurance policy, an apartment lease, a vaccination for your pet, and upload them right there through the Google Drive's application on your phone or mobile device. Tablet would work. You can do it on your computer as well. And then you have those files dropped in and mapped in each of your reminders, and then you have different permissions so they are secure, but you can also share them with different family members and people in your family if they need it. And the advantage to doing this way of putting the drive here is we just added an extra document for Louie here. And instead of having to go in and find Renew Alert and then go in and update it, you just keep the link here instead. So it's always updated. It always has the most current documents, and it's got more documents on it instead of coming in and trying to upload more and more of them. One other thing too is in this is again the email reminder here that goes out. This is the details on the reminder itself. So you can attach documents here, but they won't populate here in the email to be sent out. This way you can populate in the drive if you'd like to, the link, and then you do have that data at your fingertips in your email reminders that are coming in. And if you've got the renewal set on it as well, the reminder renew here is set for 1 year. So every year these shots or vaccinations will come back. So this is going to reset, and these links are going to continue to have more and more data in them. So this can work on vehicles as well. We've got a car. If you go in and get an oil change, you can upload it in the documents there, and then you've got actually a file you're building on your own vehicle. So you can see here, we've got the different information on the car, the maintenance log. I even have oil change, warranty. So I've got everything here available with details on my warranty, how much the warranty was, phone number, who the warranty company is. So I've got a whole vehicle file here, and this is set at 1 year intervals. So I've got an expiration date 1 year out, reminder renew, renewal period is 1 year. So this is going to continue to roll over each year for me to check in on and update as needed through the drive. That should cover the Google Drives and other drives that you can utilize to keep links on your reminders and keep all the documents updated. For additional videos and information, please follow us on our YouTube channel so you can see more of them. Thank you very much.